guys, I'm going to talk about Dalgona Coffee, which has taken the social media by storm these days. So Dalgona Coffee is nothing but a DIY or do-it-yourself coffee. Very simple to make, only 3 ingredients. You take equal amounts of coffee, water and sugar and beat it to a very creamy consistency, and then put it over a hot or a cold milk, and voila. These are the 3 ingredients: instant coffee, sugar and hot water in equal quantities. We are going to mix these 3 together: coffee, sugar and hot water. Now whip it well. So guys, it does need a lot of arm strength, or else you can just use a machine to whip the coffee. Quite an entertaining beverage to make at home when you are in this lockdown. It's the time to pour this creamy mix over hot or cold milk. So I'm gonna get some cold milk. They say it resembles a Korean candy, and that's why the name Dalgona. Voila! The Dalgona coffee is ready. Try this out.